Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. Do you know you can lose weight and burn fat without doing any exercise? This is called the thermic effect of the food. The thermic effect of the food is the amount of energy required to digest food that you eat on a daily basis. For example, the thermic energy of protein is the highest. So your body will require a lot of energy, which means it has to burn a lot of fat to digest the protein that you eat. The thermic energy of refined carbohydrate like sugar is the lowest. So your body is not going to burn anything if you keep feeding your body sugar. The thermic energy of complex carbohydrates like vegetables is also high. So make sure your diet is mainly made of proteins and vegetables. Thank you.